Kung murang Las Piñas project nga ang hanap mo at malilipatan agad, then you may consider our foreclosed property here sa Ecotrend Villas, Las Piñas City. Literal na mura kasi 3.7 million lang ang package price natin dito. O diba nagulat ka din? And that's 40 to 70% below the market value. Kaya naman ang madi-discount mo, you can allocate that para sa renovation ng unit mo. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido. Tara, samahan niyo ko at pasukin natin. Again, this is as east where east basis dahil foreclosed property tayo, yet ang kagandahan, prime ang location natin. And disclaimer lang, may caretaker din tayo dito na approve ng bangko, pero definitely they will go once may award na sa'yo ang unit. Apologies kasi medyo madilim sa video dahil wala tayong ilaw dito sa unit na to, but definitely this unit is a steal considering yung presyo nito. For this unit pala, may lot area ka na 57 square meters at ang floor area mo 123 square meters. Sa layout nga na meron to, perfect to for rental investment kasi yung ground floor pwede siya as studio room na may own toilet and bath, provision for a carport, at dito naman sa second floor dahil separate ang akyatan, pwedeng another unit to na pwede mong parentahan. Actually, malaki pa ang space mo for the second floor. Bukod sa may balcony ka, meron pa tong attic wherein kaya mo pang mag-provision for 3 bedrooms. O diba, sulit na sulit talaga. At kung ang target mo naman ay for family use or personal use, definitely pwede mo tong i-layout or i-renovate upon turnover. Dito sa second floor, may isang toilet and bath ka rin and may provision ka for a kitchen or service area. Again, this is a foreclosed property, kaya naman as is where is tayo. Kung anong nakita mo sa house tour video na to, this gonna be the actual turnover. And since foreclosed property nga tayo, 40 to 70% below the market value to. So ma-allocate mo pa yung madi-discount o matitipid mo sa renovation ng unit. Via bank financing pala tayo, and this is the only unit na meron tayo dito sa Ecotrend Villas, kaya wag mo nang palagpasin. So paano? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in our bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number para ma-visit mo na tong foreclosed property. See you at paalam!